The Mora Hiking Club has once again demonstrated its dedication to environmental conservation. In celebration of Environment Day, the members of the Mora Hiking Club have voluntarily completed two impactful projects. For our first project, we set out on an exciting mangrove planting mission in the wetlands of Negombo. Mangroves are essential to our ecosystem as they act as natural barriers protecting our coastlines from erosion, and they provide habitats for diverse marine life and absorb carbon dioxide, helping to mitigate climate changes. By planting mangroves, we aimed to restore these vital ecosystems, ensuring they continue to support biodiversity and protect our shores. The second project we conducted was a beach cleanup at Browns Beach, Negombo. Our beaches are treasures of natural beauty, but they are increasingly threatened by pollution. Through this cleanup, we removed harmful waste and raised awareness about the importance of keeping our beaches clean. A cleaner beach means a healthier habitat for marine animals and a more beautiful environment for everyone to enjoy. Both of these projects were more than just activities, they were a call to action. They symbolized our commitment to perceiving the natural beauty of our surroundings and fostering a culture of environmental responsibility. As we celebrate World Environment Day, let us continue to cherish and protect our planet, our land, our future. Together, let's make a difference.